In an age where technology evolves at lightning speed, the ethical considerations surrounding its development and use have never been more critical. Today, we delve into the ethical landscape of modern technology, focusing on key themes of responsibility, risk, justice, equity, and autonomy. As technology becomes an integral part of our daily lives, it brings with it ethical challenges such as privacy invasion, discrimination, and the potential misuse of innovations like facial recognition software. These technologies, while powerful, can sometimes restrict personal freedoms, especially when racial biases come into play. The ethical dilemmas extend to concerns over artificial intelligence, replacing human jobs, and the safeguarding of sensitive health tracking data. Such issues highlight the importance of embedding justice and equity into the core of tech development. By embracing ethical standards, we can ensure technology serves as a force for good, promoting justice, equity, and autonomy across the globe. Let us strive to create a future where technology empowers, rather than oppresses, supporting a thriving, equitable, digital world for all. In today's digital age, personal data has become one of the most valuable commodities. Companies across the globe profit immensely from selling user data, often without the consent of those users. But in a world where privacy is increasingly compromised, ONPASSIVE stands as a beacon of ethical business practices and technological prowess. At the heart of ONPASSIVE's mission is a steadfast commitment to protecting user data. Ash Mufareh, the visionary behind ONPASSIVE, made a promise. Your data will never be sold. And true to his word, when faced with an attempted data theft, ONPASSIVE's brilliant technology team acted swiftly and decisively, recovering every single piece of data. Thanks to their advanced AI solutions and the OES Safe House, every user's information remains intact, secured, and precisely where it belongs. The industry norm of selling data is a multi-billion-dollar business. Data brokers collect vast amounts of personal data, often without your knowledge, and sell it to the highest bidder. It's a practice that leaves many feeling vulnerable and exploited. Yet ONPASSIVE chooses a different path, one that prioritizes integrity over profit. This stance has set ONPASSIVE apart, causing ripples of discontent among those who profit from the status quo. Why? Because ONPASSIVE's arsenal of AI-driven digital products and solutions offers unmatched market value, rendering them independent of data sales. Ash Mufareh and his family, deeply rooted in ethics and transparency, could have chosen the path of least resistance. They could have capitalized on user data and disappeared into the shadows of immense wealth. But they didn't. As ONPASSIVE prepares to launch its cutting-edge digital solutions, remember this: you're not just choosing a product, you're choosing a company that values your trust above all else. With ONPASSIVE, your data is more than safe. Join ONPASSIVE today, where ethical practices meet technological excellence. Trust us with your data, because we believe in a future where privacy is a right, not a privilege. In the vast landscape of today's information age, technology is more than just a tool. It's a defining force shaping our world. Yet with great power comes great responsibility. Enter Mr. Ash Mufareh, a beacon for ethical technology use, and a champion who tirelessly advocates for integrity and responsibility within the tech industry. In this documentary, we delve into the dual nature of technology. On one side, it propels us forward. On the other, it casts shadows with unethical practices like software piracy, hacking, spoofing, and plagiarism. These are not just technical misdemeanors. They pose significant threats to the fabric of trust in our digital societies. As we progress, we must ask ourselves, should there be an ethics of technology? As technology's influence grows, so must our commitment to ethical standards. Data management and privacy stand as monumental challenges for IT professionals. Without a strong ethical foundation, the very pillars of trust and security can crumble. IT ethics outline a clear path: integrity, competence, professional responsibilities, and societal commitments. These codes are not just guidelines. They are the backbone of trust that supports every interaction in our digital world. When these codes are violated, intentionally or unintentionally, the repercussions echo through the fabric of society, eroding trust and security. Digital ethics, or information ethics, focuses on how we create, organize, and use information, guided by moral codes that ensure our conduct aligns with societal values. Now more than ever, leaders like Mr. Ash Mufareh are essential. They remind us that ethics in technology is not just an option, it is an imperative. As we navigate this evolving landscape, each of us holds the responsibility to champion ethical technology use. So, what role will you play in this unfolding narrative? Join us in embracing ethical standards, ensuring that technology remains a force for good, safeguarding the future for generations to come. Let us rise together, inspired by leaders like Mr. Ash Mufareh, to create a world where technology and ethics walk hand in hand.